Imagine a world where AI helps us prepare for and respond to natural disasters. In recent years, AI has become a game changer in disaster response, using data to save lives and streamline relief efforts. From hurricanes and earthquakes to wildfires, AI is now predicting and managing crises with incredible accuracy. Let's dive into how this technology is reshaping our ability to handle disaster situations. How does AI predict natural disasters? By analyzing satellite images, weather data, and seismic activity, AI can identify patterns that humans might miss. Machine learning models are trained on historical data to forecast hurricanes, floods, and other disasters days before they happen. Early predictions mean governments and agencies can mobilize resources and issue warnings faster. This can make all the difference in saving lives and minimizing damage. During a disaster, AI plays a crucial role in real-time data analysis. Think of drones scanning wildfire zones or flood areas. They capture images and relay information, which AI then processes to assess damage and map out safe evacuation routes. In areas like wildfire management, AI-powered drones can monitor fire spreads, pinpoint hotspots, and inform firefighters on the ground. This information allows responders to allocate resources more efficiently and tackle the most urgent areas first. AI is also used to coordinate rescue and relief efforts. It can help organize logistics, ensuring that food, water, and medical supplies reach affected areas swiftly. With supply chain optimization, AI minimizes delays and helps get aid where it's needed most. After the disaster, AI assists in damage assessment. Satellite imagery, combined with AI analysis, provides an accurate picture of affected regions. This speeds up insurance claims, helps rebuild communities faster, and directs resources to the hardest-hit areas. But with all these benefits, there are challenges. AI in disaster response depends heavily on accurate data, which may be limited in real time. Additionally, there are concerns about privacy and data security, as these tools collect vast amounts of sensitive information. Despite the challenges, the impact of AI in disaster response is undeniable. This technology is revolutionizing how we prepare, respond, and recover from crises, making a real difference in people's lives. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. Stay informed and stay safe as we navigate the future with the power of AI.